Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is David Tinashe. On today's video I'm going to be replacing bulbs on a Suzuki H4 bulbs. So this is our headlamp, and this is the back of the headlamp. As you can see, those wires, but those wires, they are supposed to be covered with the cover, with the black cover. It's like a rubber. That's the one you're supposed to cover those wires, but on this one that cover, I think, is lost. There's no cover. So you only need to unhook those clips at the back, and then you'll be able to pull out your bulb. So as you can see, the bulb is out, but the socket is still on the bulb. I did take out the bulb first with the socket together because it's a little bit tight to take it off. As you can see, it's a little bit tight. So now our bulb is off the socket. This is our bulb, guys. If you take a good look inside the bulb, you can see those small springs which are loose. You can take a good look. Let me focus. There we go. So you can see those small springs inside, those ones which are loose. So if you've got the same problem like this, and then you see those small springs inside your bulb, then it means there's nothing you can do. You only need to change and put a new bulbs. So I am going to put this bulb. This is the bulb which I got, the new one. So some of the bulbs, when you are replacing these bulbs, you're not supposed to touch the front part. You're not supposed to touch that glass part. As you can see on the video, I'm holding that metal side. You're not supposed to touch the front part, especially when you're putting those halogen bulbs. So you can watch the video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know if this video was helpful. You can drop your comment and what you think about the video.